Okay. Good afternoon, class. How are you? How are you? Also, I'm fine. Thank you so much. So, my guardians and my dear student, I am Rohit Agrari and I teach English subject and I belong to Dairy Market and I teach a school Om Shri Bal Vidya Mandir and my school Om Shri Bal Vidya Mandir is situated in Persia. So today I am going to tell you something about English. My guardians and my dear student and my brother and sister, as you know that the English is a much more important language in my life. You know, this is the modern generation, and we know how English is important. And here, in this generation, everyone, every brothers, my sisters, and also my dear student, everyone want to learn English spoken because they know that what is the importance of English. You know what is the importance of English, and everyone running behind the English. But you know, we are belong to the village area, and there is a very every person not they do not have a knowledge of about English language. But my guardians and my brother and sister, I want to tell you that the students of my class, which is Om Shri Bal Vidya Mandir, all students can speak English here. You know, my guardians and my brothers, sister, there are many schools are running here in our area. If you are talking, there are lots of the school, but I think the students cannot able to speak English proper at the other schools because there is the teaching style of the communication, how to talk English, how to learn English. Because of this, the students cannot able to speak. But in my school, Om Shri Bal Vidya Mandir, me, I'm a Rohit Agrari, and my all teachers, my all team, always wanted to do a hard work to teach English to the student. And here you will look that how my students can speak English, how fluent they speak. I have I have worked on them. I have worked the hard work and smart work to teaching them English language. So चलिए हम आपको दिखाते हैं कि हमारे स्कूल ओम श्री बाल विद्या मंदिर के बच्चे कैसा इंग्लिश उनका परफॉर्मेंस है। इंग्लिश सिखाने का बस मतलब इतना नहीं है कि हमारे बच्चे थोड़ा सा आए, इंट्रोडक्शन बोल लिए या तो उनका कोई टॉपिक रटा दिया गया उस पे बात कर ले, ये नहीं है। दिस इज नॉट मैटर ऑफ द स्पीकिंग। स्पीकिंग मींस यू कैन शेयर ऑल द थॉट्स, यू कैन एक्सप्रेस योर फीलिंग विदाउट हेजिटेशन, विदाउट एनी ब्रेक डाउन। जस्ट रट्टा मार वाला काम नहीं है। तो हम सभी अध्यापक और हम लोगों ने अंग्रेजी सिखाने का बहुत प्रयास किया है और हमें लगता है कि शायद हम अपनी अपने स्कूल की अपनी बड़ाई नहीं बता रहे हैं, लेकिन हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हमारे इस एरिया में इंग्लिश बच्चे सीख नहीं पाते ना, तो उनको इंग्लिश सिखाने का बहुत अच्छा एक जरिया मिला है। लेकिन हम लोगों ने एक प्रयास किया है कि बच्चों को अंग्रेजी भाषा भी सिखाया जाए, उनको केवल अंग्रेजी पढ़ाया ना जाए, अंग्रेजी भाषा सिखाया जाए। यू नो व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ द टीचर, व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ द इंग्लिश? English means we can speak English. We can understand if anybody will speak in front of me, then we can understand that's the meaning of the English. So चलिए हम आपके सामने दिखाते हैं कि हमारे कुछ बच्चे इंग्लिश में बात करेंगे। मैं आपको क्या बोल के दिखाऊं, जितना है हम लोग तो सिखाते हैं, आप बच्चों से देखें कि हमारे बच्चे क्या बोलते हैं और उनमें थोड़ी बहुत जो कमियां होंगी उसके लिए मैं आपसे क्षमा मांगता हूं। हालांकि अभी वो लोग बिगिनर है, सो वी विल इग्नोर देयर फॉल्ट। सो आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल conversation Sahana, and who is your Sahana and Nazan? Okay, have a big hand for them. तो आप लोग देखेंगे कि हमारे बच्चे इंग्लिश में बात करने जा रहे हैं, उनका कन्वर्सेशन है, कुछ टॉपिक है वो अपना डिस्कस करेंगे और आप देख सकते हैं कि उनके अंदर क्या सुधार है, कैसा इंग्लिश उनका परफॉर्मेंस है। और चलिए आप हम देखते हैं।
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
Also, I'm fine. Please tell me about your some introductions.
As you know, my name is Sahana and I am a student of class 8th standard. I come from Persia and I reading Om Shri Bal Vidya Mandir, Persia, Khurd. It is situated in Persia. That's all. Tell me something about yourself, brief.
I'm Anjali Pal and I studying a class student. I come from Chennai and I come from Mirzapur district. That's all about my introductions.
Tell me something about our discipline. What do you think discipline? What is discipline? Tell me.
Because disciplines give me advice and give me discipline. Because disciplines is a very compulsory for a student, and without we can't learn anything. Because without education we can think everything. We can everything. And I think who student not live in disciplines and who can change not of his futures and not change his habit, because and disciplines give success, and so that is why we can should live in discipline.
How can be success in their life any person?
And first of all, make a timetable and according to disciplines and live and start timetables and with of teachers talking accept and other doing some work and hard working. That's all.
Us.
Why English like but my according English is not compulsory but some compulsory. Why? Like,
Why I do know it? I know English. It is modern generation, and there are all person demand that I will learn English. And some student can learn some, but some student are not learning English. I am learning here English, and in our generation, and you know it is global language. You can speak any place, anywhere. Suppose you go in foreign or other country, other state, then its language you will have to need very too much. And English, it is not only language. When any person learn English language, then their communication skill and how to talk each other person and how I have speak front of any person, then it's English language. It learn me everything. I can say it is not only language. It is my future. I can say, and without there are many exams who are not you can crack without English language. That's all.
hello friends, how are you?
I am fine, and you?
I am also fine. Please give me your introduction.
I am Rosni. As you know, I come from Devri. I belong to Mirzapur district. I study in school Om Sri Vidya Mandir Parsiakot. I study in class 8 standard. That's all. Please tell me something about your brief introduction.
First of all, good afternoon. My name is Roshni Dari. I am a student. I study class 9th standard. I come from Delhi, belong to Mirzapur district. That's all. Tell me something about your school.
Yes. My school name is Om Sri Vidya Mandir Parsiakot. It is situated in Parsia. There are many teachers presenting here, and there are many facilities available in my schools. And I live in school Om Sri Vidya Mandir Parsia. Which children has to be reading in the school? Please, he is coming in my school, because my school is very best schools, and my school is my future. My school is making any students' future, and every guardians we sold very understanding. Where is my students making the future? Please, his admission this my school, because there are many teachers very struggle, and he has to very knowledge, and he has to very confidence, and their students is very educationist, and their principal, their management is very best, and this area my schools beside any schools not best. Please tell me something about time. Why don't wasting time?
I think all students not wasting time and the very concentration and the study. This present time all students looking the phone and watching the videos and choose the bad direction. But this is the wrong qualities. I think all students have a good qualities, but students are not used to qualities. I think this area school is very Om Shiva Vidya school is a better school. I think all students coming this school and study this school, and this school have all qualities, and the teacher have qualities, and this school learning the English spoken, and learning the science, solve the math very high level question, and that's all.
Hello friend,
I am fine.
how are you?
Study.
I am also fine. Tell me something about yourself.
First of all, I am Uday Rajpal and I am a student and I am studying in Om Sri Vidya and English study in Parsiakot. That's all about my introduction. Please tell me about you.
My name is Sanir Sheikh. I am student of 9th standard. I read in Om Sri Vidya Mandir in Parsia. Tell me something about your English language.
English language is very important for every person because if speaking English we look attractive and everyone look the full concentrate and hear full concentrate and we can succeed anywhere and here is very demand of English language and English is international language. We can go foreign country and anywhere we can speak English and every person and every unique person understand our language. That's all about language. Tell me about education.
Education is the most important part of every student and human's life, because if you can study good and concentrate, then you can success in your life, and without education you are not a success in your life. Educated people have some good qualities and good manners. That's why he was because of he is educated, and uneducated people have no manners and